Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have a haul because well, I have hauls. I'm loving my shirt and this is what my hair looks like, naturally air dried without a diffuser or anything. This is what it looks like. I did add some oil to tame down the frizz because it's raining outside. If you see a lot of glitter on my face or on my hair and forehead, is from I had a Dollar Tree haul a minute ago, and some of that stuff had glitter on it, so it's everywhere. And also underneath my eyes is for my eyeshadow because I did not realize when I was using the eyeshadow that it had a lot of loose gold glitter in it. Like it looked like it was a pressed like pigment kind of green thing, or not cream almost. Like it was a cream, but it had all this glitter in it, and I didn't realize until I started packing on my eyes, and I'm like, oh, well, okay. I just have glittery under eyes, but it's okay. Anyway, I have a haul from Factory Connection. I hope these are around like everywhere, at least in the South. So I don't know if you have them up north, but they get like all the name brands, but like their price is like at least half off, usually like about half off the suggested retail, but it's all new and it's all this season as far as I know. So anyway, but when I happened upon it, because it's right next to a grocery store, like they're in this, or well, they're in the same shopping center, okay? So I just happened to look and I saw a sign that was buy two get one free of the 75% off clearance, and I went in the store and it was that, and also buy two get one free of the 50% off clearance. So y'all know I had to go in and have a haul, right? Okay. Yeah, so it was, yeah, so, and it also, it's right, so she rang up the clothes first, so it did take one off the clothes, and then she rang up the shoes, and it took one off the shoes, so I got like the maximum discount that I could get. Anyway, this is from Casual Land, but it's like a little flannel. I have a niece who really likes comfy casual clothes. She does dabble in flannel, you know, so I think this would be good for her birthday in May. But anyway, it's medium. It was $4. So I was probably going to get it anyway. This is it says Love Street. Not the size, but anyway, it was for $4.50, and I'm just like, look at how pretty this design is. What was it again? It's an elephant. So it was like, it's pretty cool. That was for me. This is mine. And I also got my niece, this looked like it was probably a Mrs. size small, and that would fit my niece, who wears maybe a little bit bigger, but she should be all right in a small dress. She wears a medium junior, so she should be okay in this. And she doesn't like anything tight and form-fitting anyway. So I was like, that's so cute. She wants a t-shirt dress, which I'm going to have to find. But I thought that was really cute. And she likes green. Okay, first pair of shoes I got. Of course, it was mostly boots. You know, everybody's trying to get rid of their winter clearance right now. Were these. These are a size 10, so they are mine. These were $10. So I was like, look at, this is the brand Pierre Dumas, which make really comfortable sandals and wedges and stuff like that. Got like a distressed thing. I mean, all of them were like that, so it's like discolored like that. And it's got this braiding over this, like it's actually textured in different materials, like kind of like a woolly kind of feel, like all throughout there. And then the fringe, and it's really nice, like suede feel stuff. I think they're adorable. I mean, for next year, obviously. We'll pass time for these right now. The next thing I got, now these are $8.75, so these are the ones I got for free. Now they didn't have my size, which is normally my size is 9.5. I can go to a 10. Okay, these were an 11, and they're Pierre Dumas as well. These are 11, but I figured since the toe is so pointed, my toes aren't going to go up there anyway. And then with socks, they'll be okay. But I was like, for $8.75, I can't pass these up, even if they are just a little bit big. I mean, especially with a sock. And then that pointed toe, my toe's not going to go up there anyway. So I think these will work fine. But they're so cute. I don't have a pair of boots this color. So, you know what? I'm going to try them on. But like the tip of the toe, which is about that much space. So, yeah. I'm cool with that. I don't care about that much space in the tip of the toe. Especially socks on. So, those are mine. See, that's why I picked jump jokes, like, especially with like a boot or something that you can wear socks. Now, I wouldn't do it with sandals. Because, you know, make up that. This last pair I got for not the niece's birthday, it's in May, but the niece's birthday is in July. These were 10 as well. They're originally all $40 at Factory Connection, and the compare at price is $60. So actually Factory Connection had them for $40. So sometimes it's not half off, but it's still a good percentage off. But these are a size 8, and that's what she always wears. And I just thought, you know, get her a nice boot at $10. Yeah. So anyway, these are these. Look how cute. Like legit, that's what it's, those just hang there. So this doesn't tie. That just hangs there. This ties. And then you got the nice like leather sole opening and all. Like really nice. Like that design's nice. So like yeah. I'll go ahead and start the planning birthday for September. I already got one of my nephew's Christmas gift. So or like one Christmas gift. But anyway, that was my Factory Connection haul. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.